What is up, guys? Jeremy here, and welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your font on iOS 13. Of course, this does require a jailbreak, as we will be using a tweak in order to do this. But if we go ahead and jump into the settings application, as you guys can see, the font is different, and this is personally my favorite font. I'll go over the fonts in a minute. There are a couple of tweaks you have to install in order to do this, and a couple of repos you will have to add. I will leave the repos listed down in the description for you guys. So we're going to go ahead and jump into Cydia, and I'm going to show you how to get it. So let's go ahead and let Cydia load up here. Let's go into the sources. So the first source or repo you're going to want to add is the Ryan Petrich repo. Go ahead and add this repo, and then you will need to install AppList. So install the newest version of AppList. It is required for the tweak to work. Now that you've installed AppList, go ahead and add the repo, the BAW repo or RPG Farm repo. As you guys can see there, we'll go into it. Go into the tweak section, and then you will install the tweak A font. This is the tweak that's going to allow you to actually change your font on your device. So now that you've installed both of those packages, you can basically change the font to whatever you want. We can go ahead and go into settings here, go into tweaks, and then go into a font. Now, like I said, I'm using my personal favorite font right now, which is Futura, and it's just the one I like the most. There's a bunch to choose from. In the settings here, you can see we have enabled on-off switch, so if you want to shut the tweak off, you can do that. And then you have your font, your bold font, and then you can blacklist a font within certain applications if you don't want a font overriding the font style of that application. So very cool that it does have the blacklist option. And then there is a few other options here at the bottom, but we're going to go ahead and change the font. I'm going to switch it to another one that I really like, which is called Menlo. So I'm going to go ahead and switch to that one, and then I'm going to back out. And then there's the bold font option. I'm going to switch that one as well. Go ahead and scroll down until I see Menlo Bold. So there it is right there, and we'll switch to that one. Now once you've chosen what font you want to use, just swipe to the bottom, and there is a restart springboard. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And after we boot back up, as you guys will see, the font on my device is different. So as you can see, Jellyfish looks different. We go ahead and go into settings, and as you can see there, the font has changed to the Menlo font. And that's really all you got to do. The only thing I wish that the tweak had was a preview of the font before you chose it, because really the only way you can see what they look like is to choose it, do a respring, and go from there. So I wish there was previews, but still nonetheless, it's very, very cool to change the font on your device system-wide on iOS 13. Also, if you guys want my wallpapers, you can find those on my Telegram. The link for that is in the description, along with the repo links are found there as well. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot here at the channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.